We met Peter originally back in 2022 at the Farm Shop in Delhi show. Met him with Inspiron. The support straight away, the knowledge was there. Opened our eyes to different options, not just trying to sort of sell us a set of scales or a system. Took the time to take an interest in our business. From the moment we decided to sort of go with Inspiron and the Xtrace system and looking at the Marques Scales, multiple options were on the table. Advice, we were ever unsure, they were always at the end of the phone, and really sort of helpful and supportive. All the way through the process, time's been taken to look at our needs, consider our needs, throw other options that we may or may not have thought of. The support has been there instantly at the end of a phone, drop them an email regardless of time or day. Very quickly got a response. The support from the Xtrace and Inspiron have been invaluable for us to give us the ability and confidence to grow the business and know that we've made the right decision going with them. Both very user friendly when it comes to sort of inputting new products. And like thus far, it has been it's been a breeze. They look smart, they're clean, and people are quite impressed with it. So when sort of choosing, we went with the Xtrace software, the system for our wholesale unit, the production unit. Because we've got quite a small retail element that's growing, we decided to go with the core software with the Marques retail scales, to give us the ability then to show a really smart shop front, but have all the traceability side with the Xtrace. The challenge being now we've got to bring the two systems together to get them to work under one umbrella, but I'm very confident that the people around, they've got the ability to integrate them all together. In the future we're going to look at eventually maybe somebody like Tesco's or a bigger organisation. Your software is going to allow us to quickly and easily demonstrate that we've got the traceability, the ability to recall products if there was an issue. What I quite liked is all in one place. The whole system was there.